Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to change your name and email on Wizz Air. First of all, go to the Wizz Air website or open the mobile app. Then log into your account using your current email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select your profile icon section. Then click details. After selecting, simply enter your name here. I'm sorry to say that you cannot change the email address from here. After that, click confirm. And that's it. You have successfully updated your name, but you cannot change your email on Wizz Air. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching.